In this video, I'm going to build another Make It Block metal kit.
Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models.
So let's build this Make It Block helicopter. It's from Dollar Tree for $1.25. It's their version of a metal kit. In the past, I believe I said that these are more Steelworks compatible, not Meccano compatible, because let's see, put this on. Okay, let's try this out. Are some of them okay? This one here, okay, let's see. That is interesting. These two pieces are the same size. One is 4 holes and one is 5. So this metal piece here is Meccano and this plastic piece here is Steelworks. So when I put these in my set, I'm going to have to compare each piece individually, see if it's Meccano or if it is Steelworks. But the interesting thing is, since it's a mixture, if I were to put these two pieces together, I could put screws through on the ends, but I couldn't put screws through the middle. Very interesting. Okay, there is instructions in here. So let's empty out the parts and let's see how this goes. Wow, I never thought I'd see a mixture of Meccano / Erector compatible. So let's get this, for me, right side up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is build the propeller on top. Put all 3 of these through and get a nut here, and it's always fun trying to get these things started. There I go. And my tiny little screwdriver works real well with my arthritis. Okay, now try to spin these. Okay, need my little spanner. Oh, try to put these somewhat, divide them equally. There we are. Next part, we're going to build the landing gear. Go through the plastic and let's see. Alright, so the plastic pieces here are not Meccano compatible, so I think that one little metal piece might be all that is Meccano compatible. So when I put this away, it's going to be interesting. I gotta mix it up in 2 different places. So basically I got one new Meccano piece out of this. Unless these brackets were, but I'm assuming these brackets are not. So this is a $1.25 piece for me because that's all I probably will be using out of this. Let's see, got that. Now I'm building something here. What am I building? Okay, screw through here, then through there, then through there. So let's start in the middle. Screw through there, or bolt. They keep confusing me because of a screwdriver to put these bolts on, so I keep calling them screws, but they're really bolts. Yeah, screws have points on the end. this from turning while I tighten it. There we go. Alright, got that done. Then let's see, put one of these yellow things through there. Okay, let's try this again. Alright. Put this one through this side. Alright. So then I want to go on the bottom here. And redefine print. Put the screw through that green piece and then through there. Yep. It's a tiny little set, but it's not going to be a quick video. Because these are, even though they're tiny little sets, they take a lot of effort to build. So let's see if I can do this. Take this through my propeller, through that, through the metal one, because there's 4 holes on it, then through this, take it all my pieces together. Before I do that, I'm going to put the bottom one on first. That way I can get my hand inside. Yeah, I get this screwdriver through that hole to tighten this, so I'm going to do the bottom one first. Okay. And I gotta put the landing gear on. And then I can put it on. Should I do a speed build on this tiny little build here? I didn't think I was going to need to, but I think it might have. Okay. So now try to put all this stuff together. And try to get my little bolt in there. To get started. Okay, Alright, what am I doing here? Okay, first I got to put a bolt on here. Then I can go through there in the metal piece and there, and get my finger in here, tight little spot. Okay, the struggle is real. Let's move this up for a while, give me a little more wiggle room. Maybe that will help. Turn it a little sideways, maybe that will help. And my fingers just don't. And the screw fell off somewhere. Okay. Now I can, let's see, turn that down. And let's. The reason I put the extra bolt in there is so I can have the propeller up in the air more. So then we got one part to put back on. So let's see how we want to do this. Go through the metal and through the plastic, then through the angle bracket, and there is our helicopter. I'm going to have to zoom in. It's a tiny little helicopter. Okay, zoom in. And there we go. There is our helicopter. Got 2 extra nuts and 2 extra bolts. Let's see if I can stand the helicopter upright. Weight-wise, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Let's tighten it up a little and see if I can get it to stand. Slowly turn it down. Yeah, there we are. He is standing upright. That is our Make It Blocks helicopter from Dollar Tree for $1.25.
Thanks for watching from Chuck's Metal Models. Please like and subscribe until we build again.